heart safety pin to his backpack. His backpack is all that he knows. Shot down by strangers whose glances can cripple the heart and devour the soul. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Out of his mind, the way pushes him whispering, must have been out of his mind. Midday delusions are pushing this out of his head, maybe out of his mind. Out of his mind. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a word. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word. Crawls like a word from a bird. Pushes him whispering, must have been out of his mind.